I'm so excited to try this my new Homey Logo JE45 juicer. And for this juice recipe, we're going to be using 1 pineapple, 2 small or medium-sized cucumbers, 2 red apples, 3 kiwis, and 1 lemon. Okay. These are both soft and hard fruits and vegetables, and I loved how the juicer handled them all. Now, the best part of this juicer for me is the fact that it's a hands-free juicer, okay? I just load up the fruits and vegetables and I allow the juicer to do its thing, okay? I could really go to sleep while the juicer is at work, okay? Okay, I'm just joking. And if you want more juice recipes that are beginner friendly, maybe you're just starting your juicing journey and you don't know what ingredients to use or what fruits and veggies to combine, I have a free juice recipe ebook that I'll link in the description box. Please check it out and download it, okay? It's free, it's completely free, okay? You will find simple juice recipes that are not only beginner friendly, but they are also very quick and affordable, okay? Now the pulp also comes out really dry, and I got about 1.2 liters of juice today. The link and details of this juicer will be in the description box and also pinned in the comment section. Or you can also find it in my Amazon storefront, okay? I never tried this recipe before. Pineapple, red apple, cucumber, kiwi, and lemon. This is my new found love, okay? This will be my new favorite homemade juice. The taste is out of this world. You need to try this. The only problem now is that I didn't make this juice in a large quantity. This particular recipe, I'm going to have to recreate it and make it in a larger quantity, okay? Let me know whether you will try this particular recipe, okay? If you've never tried any of my juice recipes, make sure you try this one. Funny enough, I didn't really plan this recipe. I mean, I planned pineapple and cucumber with apple, but I had kiwi sitting in the fridge, and anytime I buy kiwi, we don't really eat it like real quick. We're not really fans of kiwi in this house, but something said to me, just add kiwi. You know, I was even very skeptical. Initially I wanted to put 6, but I was like, let me just put 3, okay, just in case it doesn't really go well. But I'm really glad it turned out well, okay? The taste of the kiwi, the apple, the pineapple, and the cucumber is just so divine. Don't forget to check the link in my description box for your free juice recipe, okay? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.